A tapered tube brush is a specialized cleaning tool designed to effectively clean the inside surfaces of tubes, pipes, and other cylindrical objects. It features a cone-shaped, tapered design with bristles attached to a central wire core. This design allows the brush to easily navigate and clean hard-to-reach areas within the tube while ensuring thorough removal of dirt, grime, and debris. Tapered tube brushes are available in various sizes and bristle materials to suit different applications. They are commonly used in industries such as plumbing, HVAC, automotive, and manufacturing for tasks that require precise and efficient cleaning of tubes and pipes. The tapered tube brush is an essential tool for maintaining optimal system performance, preventing clogs, and ensuring proper sanitation.